Okay, Google Microwave. Set a timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, Google Microwave. What day is April 1st, 2195?
The 1st of April 2195 falls on a Wednesday.
Okay, Google Microwave. How do you cook an egg?
According to Goop, heat the olive oil in a small, non-stick pan over medium heat. Crack the egg directly into the pan and season generously with salt and pepper. Cook for about 2 minutes, then use a spatula to flip the egg, being careful not to break the yolk. For a runny yolk, turn off the heat and let the egg sit for 1 minute.
Oh, that's so sad. Okay, Google Microwave. Play Despacito.
Alright, Despacito by Luis Fonsi, playing on YouTube.